Good morning, students. We are going to do our exercise 4.3 of chapter division. In this exercise, we will learn about how to divide the sums when we are given with the divisor of two digits. In the previous exercise, that is in exercise 4.2, we have learned about the way of division when divisor is one digit or single digit, and in this exercise we are given with the divisor of two-digit number. Now the first statement is that 99 divided by 11. Write 99 inside the symbol and 11 outside. Now go with the first digit, that is the digit which is placed on the extreme left side, that is 9. Check whether 9 is equal to 11. It's not equal to 11. Even it's not greater to 11, but it's smaller than 11. Students, you must know that when the number is smaller than the divisor, then you have to take the two digits at a time. Now students, you are allowed to take 99 for the first time. Okay, now read out the table of 11 and check whether 99 comes in the table of 11 or not. 11 nines are 99. Write 99 here. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. We have done with our sum, students. Our quotient is 9 and remainder is 0. Got it? Our next statement is 88 divided by 16. Okay, students, 88 divided by 16. Now write the statement here. 88 inside, 16 outside. Again check, students, whether 8 is greater than 16 or not. Now students, it's clear that 8 is smaller than 16, then we have to take 88 at the same time. Now read out the table of 16, then students, you will come to know 16 5s are 80 and 16 6 are 96. 88 lies between 80 and 96. Students, I think you are remember that you are not allowed to take the greater number, but you can take the smaller, okay, immediate smaller number. The immediate smaller number is 80. 16 5s are 80. Now minus 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Here students, your quotient is 5 and your remainder is 8. Got it? Now next sum is that 97 divided by 16. Write 97 here and 16 outside. Now again students, check whether 97 comes in the table of 16 or not. 16 5s are 80, 16 6s are 96 and 16 7s are 112. Students, 97 lies between 96 and 112, but you are not allowed to take the greater number, as I told you. But you can write 16 6 and 96. 7 minus 6 is 1, 9 minus 9, 0. Quotient is 6 and your remainder is 1. Now students, we will do our next sum, fourth. 343 divided by 17. Now students, check. It is clear that you cannot take only 3, you have to go with 34. Check whether 34 comes in the table of 17 or not. 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34. 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 3 0. Again 3 comes here. Now students, you can clearly see that 17 is greater than 3. You have to find out any number which is smaller than 3 and comes in the table of 17. So students, it's only 0 which comes in the table of 17 at 0, and it's also smaller than 3 because you cannot take greater number. The greater number will be the 17, that will be 17 into 1 equal to 70, but you cannot take 17. So we have to go with 17 into 0 equal to 0. 17 zeros are 0. After subtraction, student, 3 will be your remainder. Quotient is 20 and remainder is 3. Got it, students? Okay, students. Rest of sums you have to do by yourself. If you will face any kind of problem, then tell me in your next session so that I'll sort your problem. Bye.